Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we are taking you to Central Pattaya shopping mall. Downstairs, if you just saw there, went down the escalator. You can get the lift down as well, but the escalator is outside on Second Road. So you get the escalator down and that takes you to the food court. So anyhow, that's where we are tonight. Have a look around the food court, see how to work it. I'll show you how to do that, because there's a specific way. You don't just pay with cash. You do, but you don't, but I'll show you. So you have all different restaurants down here as well, and like supermarkets and stuff. I like to say, you pay with cash, but you don't. What I'm saying is, you don't pay each of the vendors cash. You use a card and they scan the card, which I'm going to show you. I am making it sound more complicated than it really is. But anywho, what you do is you go down to a cash desk first, and I'll show you that now. So you can use these machines here, these are quite new, or go to this desk at the end here where it says cash card. So like I say, you come to this cash point, tell them how much you want to put onto a card, and you pay this lady here, and then she'll give you a card with a QR code on it. So you get given one of these, so it's got the QR code on it there, and then you can use this at the booths. You scan the QR code and they take the amount that the food is off this. Does that make sense? So all your money's on here, you take it to there, you scan the card, or bit of paper now. So say it's 300, this has got 1,000 on it, you're left with 700. Now at the end, when you're finished, you take this receipt back to that lady, she scans it, whatever money's left on it, she'll give it back to you. I am making this sound so complicated, but it really isn't. So I'll just quickly show you around the booths. So we've got like noodle soups, we've got stuff over that side too. So we've got like fruit smoothies and drinks and ice creams and stuff. You've got more English food at this one. Italian style pizzas and stuff. Roti Thai cuisine. Sorry. That's me saying sorry again when somebody walks into me. Stupid. Anywho. Duck dishes. And I have little plates of food to show you what it's going to look like. So these are all just for show, they're not real food. But that's what you order. If you don't know what to say, or how to say it in Thai, you just say, I'll have that. And they'll cook it for you. Sultana Indian cuisine, so that's all your curries. You see on there. Saudi cap. And there's all your curries you can get. Penang, Thai chili, Thai yellow. So they're the Thai curries on this side, where the Indian was on the front. No idea what they are, but yeah. And over here you have all your drinks, iced teas, some egg thing, ice creams, mangoes. So you have mangoes on waffle, mango by itself, mango pancakes, ice creams. And of course, Christmas trees at the end of January. Sorry, car. Number 1, beef fresh noodle.
Beef fresh noodle,
No,
medium
no
spicy.
nuts. No nuts. No spicy.
No nuts, no spicy.
This is a penal. This is a medium spicy.
It is
Okay.
also
Little spicy.
a little spicy.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. But no nuts, please. So that's Emma's order. It's time to order mine. Pad Kapow, Moo, Dao Kai. So this is what I've ordered. Pad Kapow, Moo, and I've asked it for Nit Noi Spicy. And this is what Tan's ordered, and she's going to eat it all herself. All herself. I said just a Nit Noi Spicy, and it's like a friggin' food challenge.
It's like
Normally they don't put.
I had to go get myself a mango ice cream to put my tongue out. Fire. So when you finish eating, you take your ticket, as Emma's going to demonstrate here. Back to where we got it from. She scans it, tells you how much is left on it, and then you get the cash back. Just like that. So there you have it, folks. That is the food hall in central Pattaya, the shopping mall, right down in the basement. That's where you'll find it. You've seen how it works now. Just give the lady your money. She gives you a ticket. You scan that ticket, and then when you're finished, you go back to the lady and get your money back. Well, not all your money back, obviously. What's left on your ticket, you'll get that back in cash. So anywho, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it 2 thumbs down. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.